I'm going to show you what you need to know about a ranging market and what you should do whenever you come across a ranging market in your chart as a forex trader. Okay, for you to be profitable as a forex trader, you need to always know the reason why you execute trade and the reason why, if eventually your trade fail, why your trade fail. Okay, so stick with me in this video to show you what a ranging market is and what you should do whenever you come across a ranging market. I just come across this video and I just felt it to be profitable for me to share it with you on this platform, for you to know what to do whenever you come across a ranging market. So first of all, what is a ranging market? A ranging market is a state whereby the market test the support resistance and come back to the previous support without breaking the both levels. Okay, now as you can see at this point, let me show you, this market actually tests the support and also test the resistance without moving in a trend market. So a ranging market is not actually about a trend market. As you can see at this point, this market is ranging. At this point, this market is ranging. Let me still show you. You can see at this point the market is retesting the previous levels. As you can see in this place, there's no clear trend in this market. So as a forex trader, the thing is this: don't always trade a ranging market. You have to wait for a breakout before you execute a trade. All right, what I mean is this: whenever this market is ranging, the best thing you should do is you should wait for it to break out before you execute a trade. What does breakout means? If it is coming down to this point, wait for it to break down to this point, and if it retests this level, that's when you are going to execute your trade. For instance, if this trade is going on an uptrend, then you should wait for it to go up to this side. Once it's going in a uptrend, you should wait for it to retest this resistance level, and if it continue going up, that's when you are going to place your trade after confirming your strategy. All right, so I found this ranging market previously and I just felt, let me show you what the market did at that instance. As you can see at this point, this market was actually ranging. It was ranging at this point. As you can see at this point, this is a resistance level there, and also this is a support level down here. And at this point you will be confused, what should I do at this point? That's why I say you should always wait for a breakout. Okay, and as you can see at this point, the market actually broke out the support level and it continued going down. Okay, it continued going down. So what you should do is always wait for breakout in a ranging market. As you can see, it actually broke, and if you shift, you are going to see what the market continue doing. As you can see, after breaking the support level, it continue going down. So as a forex trader, you need to always be cautious of this type of market. Don't trade a noisy market like this. As you can see, after breaking the support level, it didn't continue ranging, rather it continued coming down. So what you should always be cautious of is knowing when to execute your trade. Is very, very important for you as a forex trader. And as you can see, the market continue going down, and as you can see, this market was making profit here. It went down below till this point. Okay, so always wait for a breakout in a ranging market before you execute your trade. So I just saw this early morning and I just felt I need to share it with you. And as you know, if this is your first time watching my video on this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on post notification, like this video for this video to gain visibility, and in my subsequent videos I'm going to be sharing with you helpful strategies on how to become a profitable trader. See you in my next video, guys.